Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn celebrating how some of my contacts here use their voices in the world, giving spotlights about people I don't know really well. And one of my previous spotlights recommended that I talk about this particular person. His name is Ted Creighton, and he says, I help you grow a successful business in less time with less stress. Ted, who has an MBA, is with Plutus Consulting Group, who provides the owners or presidents of businesses with the support and resources necessary to guide them through current issues that they are facing. He says we work with ownership management to clarify their vision for the future of the business and then develop and execute plans to achieve those goals. And the person who recommended Ted had this to say about him. She said, Ted is a business consultant coach who helps small business owners scale up their businesses with much less stress than we all put ourselves through. Lisa said, Ted has a brilliantly analytical mind, but because he is also a terrific listener and has a caring soul, he manages to take the overwhelm out of business development and help people develop a realistic and attainable plan to take their businesses to the next level without stress. Well, Ted, it's nice getting to know you here on LinkedIn, and I'm sure having a lot of fun with these spotlights. I hope you're enjoying them too. To sign up for your free vocal consultation or my next Saturday Voice Lab, go ahead and check me out at laurahandke.com, and you can also find me right here on LinkedIn.